Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to private your likes on X. The simple answer is that you don't need to change anything on your X settings because X already made likes private for everyone in 2024. So when you go to your likes tab on your profile, here you will see your own list of likes, and other people will not see this tab on your profile because it's apparently hidden from all users except you. So that includes your followers and non-followers. So nobody means nobody. But here's the thing on X application that on your X homepage at the top, you should see following section. Apparently this is the section where you can see posts that people you follow liked, and sometimes your followers can see here some kind of post that you liked with the note that this user liked this post. So just keep in mind that your followers can see in that section on their homepage that you liked this or that post. So be careful with things you like on X. And if you want to stay completely private and not seen, you have to try using bookmarks feature instead of likes. So to do that, you need to go to some kind of post and find this bookmark icon. Below it, tap it, and at the top you will see a message that says post added to your bookmarks, and later you can access them if you tap your profile picture in the top left and find section bookmarks. And this is the post that I have just saved. And this is a really nice feature because bookmarks are 100% private and they will never appear in anyone's feed. So you can be calm about that and not worry about things that you save on X. So that's basically it. I really hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.